Hi everyone, my name is Debasmita from C International School. Today I am going to show you all a vibrating sound produced by a scale and transfer of heat by conduction. So let's begin. First, let's know what is sound. Sound is a form of energy that produces the sensation of hearing in our ears. Now let's see, what is vibration? The oscillatory motion in which the body assumes a new shape during its motion is called vibratory motion. So, the apparatus needed for this experiment are a ruler. So, let's begin with this experiment now. First, take a ruler and place it on the table like this. Then, using your left hand, catch the ruler tightly on one end and use the right hand to push the ruler downwards. After pushing the ruler, you will notice a vibrating sound. So, let's see. Heard that? This was the vibrating sound. When a scale is pushed downwards, it vibrates and causes this humming sound. We notice that the ruler vibrates, that is, the ruler moves to and fro, and a humming sound is produced. After some time, the ruler stops vibrating. No sound is heard. This shows that the humming sound is produced only because of the vibrations of the ruler. Now, let's move on to our next topic, that is conduction. What is conduction? Conduction is the process of transfer of heat from the hot end to the cold end from molecule to molecule of the medium. Thus, a medium is required for transfer of heat in solids. Now let's see an experiment based on the transfer of heat by conduction. The apparatus needed for this experiment are a knife, some butter and a candle or a burner. So let's begin this experiment now. Light the candle up. Then apply some butter on your knife like this and then put it near the candle. As you can see, the butter dripping off slowly. First, the tip of the knife starts getting the heat, and slowly the whole butter is getting dripping off. The heat is passing through molecule to molecule. So this experiment concludes that the heat of the flame first heats the tip of the blade. This heat is then passed on from one molecule to the other molecule through the entire length of the blade, which melts the butter along the length of the blade. So, from this experiment, we conclude that heat is transferred by conduction. Thank you and have a nice day.